Ecom has genuinely changed my life consistently, and it can for you too. And if you don't know me, obviously, I've been documenting my journey for over 400 days, and the decision to go all in on e-commerce, you know, has truly changed my life. Every time I see improvement in my life, it always revolves around ecom, and it always revolves around me making such a big decision, big jump, and it's just crazy. So let me pull up a screenshot because obviously people work like that, but me and my partner have been working on a store together, Jason, and we've done some good numbers. Really considering that we can't scale, or like can't scale much because of back end issues. But wait, I don't want to expose. Like 48,000 in sales in the last month and a bit, 48.5. That's US. Again, I'm in Canada, so that's, even bigger, especially now. But yeah, and that's just a start. I last time hit that as my goal and it died off, but this is like just the beginning. This is just the beginning of what our brand is going to do. Our brand is going, like, you just know that it's going to hit $1 million. Like, this is the store that's probably going to get me to the goal of the whole YouTube channel, because it's just different from everything else I've been doing. Not even to mention that we have another store that we got off the ground, is profitable, and we're trying to work to scale it. Now, obviously, this brand is the priority, but we have currently 2 stores being profitable, bringing in some cash every day. And it's changed my life. I've been so focused on obviously like grinding and everything, where I truly forget where this journey started. I strongly suggest you to go to like my oldest videos, see who I was, see where I was, what I was saying, who I was, and you can just clearly see the difference within the 2-year span. And analyzing the way I live my life now, it's crazy. I would have never imagined it. And ecom is what allowed me to do that. I've been doing YouTube since I was 10. And it never brought me such success. And with ecom, I'm not saying YouTube is bad. Don't get me wrong. But the way I did YouTube was always a long-term game. And even ecom is a long-term game. But what ecom has made me do is learn key fundamentals of business as a whole. I feel like I can actually take what I've learned from ecom and apply it to a bunch of other different businesses, where I feel like YouTube sometimes just didn't do that. YouTube I saw more as a game, where ecom I saw as true business. And to seriously go back on my life, I was in school. I hated it. I want to kill myself. Fuck. That's over exaggeration, but I hated it. I despised it with all of my heart. Promise me, I hated it. I would take the metro, wake up at fucking 6, 7 in the morning to go to school, take the metro, an hour, transportation ride to somewhere that I absolutely hate. I hated the people. I hated the area. I hated the ambiance, the environment. I hated everything about it. I hated what I was learning. I hated everything. I'd get home at 4 or 5 p.m. I'm just tired. I'm exhausted. I'm both physically and mentally drained from going through the whole bullshit of doing a day that I hated to do. Then I used to work a job. I used to fucking pick up garbages or clean shit, piss, vomit at a fucking hospital. Again, that was an hour transportation away because I don't live directly in the city. I live in the outskirts. So everywhere that I have to go is an hour plus. And that I used to have to wake up at fucking 4 or 5 in the morning. I'd come back at 2 p.m., go to gym. Then it's like 4 or 5 p.m. I am exhausted. It's tired. I'm tired. I tried to do as much work as I possibly could, but I'm fucking exhausted. It was a dread. And to really go back and think like that was my life for such a long time. And now, having such freedom, making money, making more money than I've ever made before, and having such freedom. Freedom for my daily routines and freedom to grow to anything. The sky's the limit. Freedom to do what I want, even though what I want and should do are two different things. That's a different topic, but I have the freedom to do basically anything. I have the freedom to go travel. I have the freedom to go, and I've already covered this. Like by the end of the year, I'm probably going to go and move out. I'll probably go to States for a good amount of time to lock in for Q4. I could do that. I don't have school. I don't have exams. I don't have a job that needs to fund me. I am completely free. And I'm recording this on May 5th, technically, to be specific, sorry. I have only started to live this life beginning of 2025. So that means it's been 5 months that I've had this entire freedom. And I have never seen such fast progress. It's changed my life, especially within the last month. And that's the thing I noticed with everything. Because maybe you are dealing with this idea or this cycle of like nothing is really going for you. Nothing is really improving. Nothing's really changing for you. But that's what I've noticed. For such a long period of time, nothing seems to happen. But I hope you know that things are happening. God is working in ways that you don't understand. God is having his touch and his hands on situations and, obstacles that you don't even know about or even aware about. And it seems like nothing happens for such a long period of time. And then all of a sudden, boom. Drastic changes. Up like vertical upscaling. And that's how I felt. Every time I've had some type of improvement, it's just been so fast. Comparing to like the way my life was, it's just so stagnant, I felt. Everything just happened so fast. You feel like you've learned and improved into a better person and to better knowledge more in the last month than years. Usually that's how my cycle goes. And ecom is what's allowed me to do that. And the reason why ecom has allowed me to do that is because I've ate shit for 2 years. Every day, every single fucking day. I never gave up. I kept showing up every fucking day, no matter if I was tired, no matter if I wanted to do this instead. I had to sacrifice a lot of things. I ate shit for 2 years. From myself, shitting down on myself, from other people shitting down on me, from failing every single day, launching ads, creating offers, doing this, doing research, shitting and failing every fucking day. And still showing up. Going through the garbage process of bad garbage information led down the wrong direction. From mentorships, courses, other information, whatever it may be. I never gave up. I just never gave up. And for me to show up every day and to see these improvements that I'm currently experiencing is because I finally for once in my life, actually am doing it the right way. I like to believe so. I'm creating brands. And no, not this idea of branded dropshipping. No, I'm trying, me and my partner, Jason, are trying our best to create a brand. What is a brand? A brand is someone who buys from you and wants to buy again, who has a great customer experience. That goes with your shipping time. That goes with your product itself. We're trying to customize our product. We're not scaling because our back end's not fit. If we were to scale our back end, that's more people not having a good experience. Therefore, not a brand. For once, I'm actually working on a brand. For once, I'm actually focusing on the highest leverage possible task to scale the front end, which is VSLs. I've never been in such a better direction in my e-com journey. And that's what has allowed me to genuinely change my life within a month. Because guess what? When you see this 50K screenshot and you might think, okay, whatever, other people have done better, blah, blah, blah. The reason why I say this has changed my life is not because I made 50K this month. I would have said it if I made 0. It's because the path that I'm going on, the skills that I'm learning is life changing. I feel and know so because I've tested it with two brands now. I can make I can make a store profitable. I can make a VSL that gets sales. I've learned skills that'll carry on with me for the rest of my life. Whether I go bankrupt, I can make it back. That is life changing. It's not a store that's going to be a pump and dump where it just dies tomorrow or where it dies next month. Knock on wood. But you know what I mean. Like, this is completely different. This is a complete different win from my other wins. I'm building wealth right now. And I am just truly excited because this is the path where I finally get to that next level that I always dreamt of, always visioned of. I viewed myself as just getting to that next level. 6, 7 figures, maybe even 8. That was my next level. And I was so tired and was just coasting around the level that I was, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000, even 100,000. But now is where the next level occurs. And I'm just truly excited. And again, I make this video because e-com has allowed me to do that. And I hope that whether you're considering on it, starting it, or whether you're considering on giving up because you've been doing it for so long and you failed, I'm no different to you. I just showed up every day. My path and your path is definitely going to be different. I found some true success in 2 years. Maybe you, it might be a year. Maybe you, it might be 3, 4, or 5 years. For you, it might be 6 months. It does not matter. It's a simple fact that I'm no different to you. And the only reason why I am truly changing my life right now, which I've already done, just a simple fact that I actually get to just do the things that I love, bro. Everybody that I know of still goes to school, still does a job. And I'm not saying those are bad things, but 99% of them don't want to do it. And I get to do things that I want to do every day. It's truly a blessing. I'm so grateful. I've already changed my life. And I can't wait for the future of how much my life can change even more. And again, e-commerce allowed me to do it. And it's just because I'm not different. I just didn't give up. I figured it out. I just showed up every day, sat on this fucking desk, ignored distractions, ignored condescending remarks, ignored failures, and just kept pushing. Trusted God. God is honestly the only reason why I'm here today. I've always been told, Julian, how do you keep going? Like, I've been told that actually multiple times. Like, how the fuck do you keep doing it? And you know what? It's made me reflect. How the fuck did I keep going? I can't even explain it. It's something unexplainable, like this just thing in me, this power in me, this energy in me, where it was just like, of course I'm not giving up. That's not even an option. And this energy or power that just kept me pushing, just kept me going, I give it to God. It was God that was flowing through within me I'm not going to quit. It's not even an option. Never was, never will be. And yeah, I truly hope this video inspired you because that's the goal of it. I don't want you to be jealous or envious. That's not the goal. I truly believe you can do bigger numbers than the numbers I'm doing now. I truly believe you can succeed more. I just want you to succeed. And I hope that part of that journey to success is having that, comfort or that knowing of it works. And that's what I'm here to do today. It does work. You just got to put in the work. You got to go the right direction. And that's why I'm here. I know what it's like to be in that position I used to be in, probably the position you're in. I know what it's like. I truly do. With the bottom of my heart, I experienced it dreadfully. And it sucks. I fucking know that. And that's why I put so much time and effort and consideration into these videos or into my private Discord, because I want people to get out of it. I know the pain and it fucking sucks. And I really want people to grow faster than I did. I want to help people. I want to give them the inspiration. I want to give them the motivation. And I want to give them the direction to actually go and change their life. Because there's more to life than following society. There's more to life than just going to a job or going to a school or doing things that you don't like to do because just your parents or your people or society as a whole just told you this is the thing you have to do. No. If you have this urge, if you have this feeling to do something else, go fucking do it. And do it with all your heart and don't fucking second guess it. Because no one else knows you or your life or what you should be doing better than you and God. So speak to Him and He'll guide you. Thank you for watching. Again, I hope this inspired you. And of course, as always, see you at the top.